that. Let's call this pixmap is equals to PyMuPDF PDF dot pixmap. Okay, pixmap. We provide what? The image data. Okay, let's see if we are lucky with this. And then this pixmap, I didn't saw if this pixmap have a save. It has here a save. It has many saves. By the way, you see, this is another way for you to see the thing. Okay, we could go here very easily and do a dir of the pixmap. Okay, and it will list all those methods and properties. Okay, so we know already that we have save. Oh, and this is pill save as image using pillow. Okay, but the one we want is this. Okay, let's see. We can provide the file name. Okay, we can provide the file name. Okay, this is the one. This is the one. I will let me go here. Let me stop the thing. Let's create another folder for the images. I called images. Okay, so now we have a folder for the text and a folder for the images, and we want to do pixmap.save. We provide a f string with the images is the folder, and then the page we want to, just to remind you, page number, okay, +1 because it is 0 based, and then underscore because a page can have many how to say many images. Okay, so we will attach here the index of the image and also a dot, and finally the extension of the file. And I'm not in the front. Perfect. Okay, so we are saving the thing. We can remove this pass, we don't need the pass, and we are done. Okay, so let's go here.